Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a harmless virus using Notepad. So you can see here, I've already created a harmless virus out of the Notepad. So how to do it, and is it a great idea? Let's get started. To order to create a harmless viruses using Notepad, the first thing first that you need to have is this. I'll put this in the video description, so you guys make sure to check it. So I will make like the example for you guys to see it now. You're gonna copy this one, copy this and paste it inside, so you can you can remove this. You can remove this message description for the another topics of the softwares. For example, I'll make it like your computer was hacked. And for the title, so for title, at this point you're gonna remove the title one and rename it with another one like warning, the computer was hacked. So for 0 and 16, so 0 is okay, but button, and 4 is yes no button. I will make an example with 4 is yes no button. You can write 32, 48 or 64 instead of 16. 16 is critical icon, 48 is warning icon, so this prank is I'm going to use 48 as a warning icon, and press enter and paste another command of the line. So I will move fast at this point so you guys can create your own one.
A few minutes later.
At this point I finished the writing the code. Now if you didn't do this, now follow me, click on file, click on change folder and such option, so click on view. You're gonna untick the hide extension for known file types. I'm gonna click on apply and it should show on like this. Now click on file, you're gonna click on save as. Now instead of a star and txt, you're gonna name any name that you want. You can name it to click on me, so this is an example. So I'm going to change the file extension into VBS. I'm gonna choose all files, desktop, save. Alright, so I'm done. So you can terminate this VBS file inside Task Manager. You can terminate it, but there's a twist. So if you try to click on close the window, it won't close. So this like will trick the person that you sent this, like, oh, they believe their computer was hacked. So now, so if you click on yes or no, so you try to close this, it won't close. Okay, so that is done. Now you can create it as a shortcut, so I will make an example. So I will save it inside this and send to desktop create shortcut. Now you can click on properties and you can click on change icon, and you can change into any icon that you want. So for example, I will choose the I'll choose the I'm gonna choose this Internet Explorer icon. You're gonna click on apply, and when you send to someone, if their system isn't turn on the hide isn't turn on the hide the extension for well-known file, it will it won't show any thing like the extension of the VBS file, so you can remove this shortcut word. And yeah, okay, so that is how you create a harmless viruses. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe and share button, and watch my new video, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Goodbye. So this list I will put it in the link in the description, so you guys make sure to check it, and I'll see you next video. Goodbye.